Okay, I'm going to give you a really quick introduction to NoodleBib, which is for creating correct MLA works cited lists that might appear at the end of a research paper. And you can also use this to create your citations for an annotated bibliography. And in fact, you can create your annotation within NoodleBib, export it as a Word document, and link it in your ePortfolio. In any case, let's begin. This is going to be quick. At the bottom of the screen that you're looking at the moment, you'll notice that there are some videos. These are videos that I've prepared. They've not been updated to the most recent edition, but in most instances they're correct. So you might want to go to those for more extensive information about NoodleBib. But for now, we're going to do just the basics specifically for you, and in terms of the new edition, a new version, I should say. So we're going to click log in, and in a moment that's going to come up here. We're going to go up to sign in. I'm going to assume that you can figure out how to do a new user registration if you don't already have an account. I do have an account. You'll see my name and hidden password below, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. A little bit slow. Here it is. These are, if you see all the lists that you see are various research papers that I've done over the years. I've actually got several years worth of projects here. I do want you to notice that when you create a new project, which we're going to do for the annotated bibliography that we're doing, create new project. You're going to choose MLA Advanced. You're going to type in the name of the project here, click Create Project. These actually are very helpful. NoodleBib will do a lot of other things I'm not going to show to you. The new version has a little bit different look here, and to get to the main part, you're going to click on Bibliography there on the left. Otherwise, the videos are pretty much the same that I showed you earlier. I'm going to create a citation for a book. This is the easiest of all. First of all, we're going to go up here, and I'm going to go down to non-periodicals and choose book. Notice if it was a magazine article that I'd gotten out of a database, I would have chosen magazine, or if it was a website, I would have chosen website. And your determination of or your choice there is what creates the questions it asks you. So we're going to choose book and create citation. It's going to take you through a few questions. Nearly always the item at the top as opposed to the ones at the bottom is what you're going to use. Those are the defaults, and I'd recommend that you generally just go right through those. I'm looking at an actual printed book, not an ebook on the web, so I'm going to choose print. I'm going to go for the entire book. And I'm going to begin keying in the information for the book that I'm going to enter. George Weinberg. Click Add. If there's several authors, you do them all, and it would put it in the box below. The title is Self-Creation, and if there were a subtitle, you would add that as well. You get hints over here as to what should be capitalized. We're going to do publication city, which is a familiar one, New York. The publisher in this case is Avon, and it was published in 1978. Does the horse source have page numbers? Yes, it does. Is this a scholarly edition? No, it's not. Most of the time the answers there will be no. All of this additional information only applies to some books that have editors or that have translators or that have compilers, etc. Most of that you can just skip right over. Anything else there? No, not so. Down here at the annotation, that's where you can write the full annotation that you're preparing, and then I'll just put some gobbledygook in there for now, so you get the idea of what's happening. And then you'll always want to hit check for errors first. It'll show in red anything that's not quite right, and then you can correct it. And after you've corrected all of those errors, then you can go straight to generate the citation, which is what I'll do right now. So you can see there's the annotation would appear right below. If you wanted to come back and correct this, so you can always go back to this little edit button. Let's go down to the why don't we do a real annotation here? Okay, so, and again we'll update our citation, and then you'll see how it shows here, and that's correct in every way. Now you would do that for a number of things. If you were doing, for example, the annotated bibliography, you often want to do a magazine article, which you're going to get from Academic Search Complete, or if it were a website, you'd use the website as well. After you have put all of the information in, you're going to click Print or Export. What that's going to do is to create a Word document, which is the one that you can link to in your on your portfolio. So you can do all of the work in NoodleBib, and that'll work for you. You can just link it over, copy and paste into your portfolio, and that's it.